Whiteboard wall paint for emergency operations. Command center writable surfaces. Streamlining coordination with whiteboard wall paint. Whiteboard wall paint enables emergency teams to visually map incidents, tasks, and shifts in real time, supplementing digital systems for quicker, clearer responses. It enhances collaboration by providing a central, easily updated hub for tracking progress and brainstorming solutions. Enhancing real-time communication on whiteboard painted walls. Writable walls support immediate task allocation, real-time updates, and coordination among multiple agencies during emergencies. They help clarify responsibilities, prevent overlap, and ensure accountability across teams. Boosting readability and organization with whiteboard paint. High-quality whiteboard paint offers bright, low-glare surfaces that keep essential information legible and easy to interpret. These walls also function as projection screens, helping teams merge written notes with live data for better situational understanding and faster decisions. Supporting multi-team collaboration with writable walls. Whiteboard walls really strengthen collaboration between multiple agencies during emergencies by allowing the creation of detailed flowcharts and operational plans. They serve as visual guides that streamline communication and coordination throughout response and recovery phases. Ensuring durability and hygiene in high-traffic EOCs. Durable, easy-to-clean whiteboard walls remain spotless and functional even under constant use, making them ideal for busy emergency centers. Their longevity supports both operational management and community training programs. Future-proofing command centers with adaptive whiteboard walls. Adaptive whiteboard walls promote flexibility, allowing EOCs to adjust layouts and strategies as protocols evolve. This adaptability helps teams anticipate future challenges and strengthen long-term resilience. Transform your emergency operations center into a smarter, faster, and more collaborative space with whiteboard wall paint. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.